In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer in Miro. Miro is an incredibly versatile tool for collaboration and brainstorming. Whether you're using it for business meetings, creative projects, or virtual classrooms, having a timer can really help keep things on track and ensure that discussions stay focused. Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of setting up a timer on your Miro board to make your sessions even more effective. To begin with, you'll want to open your Miro board. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. Once your board is open and ready to go, direct your attention to the collaboration toolbar. You'll usually find it positioned near the top right corner of your screen. This toolbar is packed with various useful tools for interaction and productivity, and the timer feature is one of them. Go ahead and look for the timer icon, which will give you access to the timing options available. Clicking on this icon will let you choose how long you want your timer to run. Miro provides several preset durations for your convenience. You can choose from 1, 5, 10, or 15 minutes depending on your needs. These options are handy if you need to quickly set a time frame without much fuss. However, if you have a specific time in mind that isn't covered by these presets, there's no need to worry. Miro also allows you to enter a custom time. This flexibility is great for tailoring the session to fit the particular requirements of your activity or discussion. Once you've selected your desired duration or entered your custom time, all that's left is to start the timer. By clicking the Start Timer button, you'll initiate the countdown, which will then be visible to everyone participating on the board. It's a really useful feature because it helps all team members stay aware of how much time they have left, promoting a more disciplined approach to your collaborative activities. As your timer ticks away, it's visible to everyone, keeping all participants in sync and on the same page. This transparency ensures that no one is caught off guard when time is running out. Now, when the countdown finally reaches 0, Miro takes care of notifying everyone that time is up. This automatic notification is incredibly convenient, as it eliminates the need for someone on your team to keep an eye on the clock and verbally announce it. Everyone can stay focused on their tasks until they're informed that it's time to wrap things up. And that's it. You've successfully set a timer in Miro, adding a new layer of functionality to your collaboration sessions. This feature is not just practical, but also essential for maintaining order, ensuring efficiency, and maximizing productivity during meetings or activities. Remember, using a timer isn't just about sticking to a schedule. It's also about enhancing the quality of your interaction and making the most out of your collaborative space in Miro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do.